What's going on, y'all? My name is Colten Bayles. I am currently a construction project manager, and I'm looking to switch over into the technology industry, hopefully as a backend developer, hopefully in the near future. So let's just dive right in. Number one, I apologize. I'm on an ultra wide monitor, so I hope that y'all can see. If you cannot, sorry. It is what it is. And then I do want to say that this thing is rough around the edges. I do not expect to get the gold star, so to speak, for my actual submission for honors, but I do want to publish what I have been working on and some of the issues and hopes and dreams of this project. So let's just dive right in. E-commerce website's what it is. I do hope to have this thing full stacked out with a front end down the road. Once I learn a little bit more front end, I don't know enough. Definitely don't know enough to have this thing running on that side of things. But I do want this to be a front or a full stack Django app. Some of the technologies that I used was Django, Python, obviously, GCP to host this thing, Docker, Insomnia, and I tried to get this thing load onto GKE Autopilot, but Kubernetes is, we're working on it. We'll get there. So not there yet. So let's just dive right in. Here's my settings. Now my settings, I pretty much used all of Nucamp's DevOps week 3, workshop 3, and use those. And that's probably some of the issues that we'll get into down here, as you can see. But this is their settings to get this loaded to GCP. I did add website and e-commerce. Not sure if I need to have e-commerce, but it's in there. And then coming down into here, if you go to the website, we go to our models for our SQL database. We got categories, products. We have cart items. I have order items. I have order items. Excuse me. I have shipping address. Checkout, and in checkout I have some shipping choices and some payment choices. So this stuff was pretty easy to make. Got this. Testing it is where I ran into issues, and Insomnia and me did not get along for this project, and that's why I call myself a perfectionist, so to speak. I don't think this thing is completed because I wasn't able to test that out. Within my test, here we go. Here's what I was trying to test. And then if I come into my actual Insomnia, the actual website's working. When I go do a post request, I couldn't get the post request. So again, this bad boy is a work in progress. Come down to my views. I do have a few views for my template, and that's all I got from my template. Here it is in all of its glory, so to speak. So got some work to do. My metrics have been up, so hopefully you've been able to look over here at my metrics. This thing does work, and that's why I'm kind of confused. And what I'm trying to get whittled out is to make sure that, hey, number one, I can't pull. Anybody else can pull from it, but I need to make sure that the actual databases are running. So that's where we're at. Requirements, everything, and it's all in here too within the actual Cloud Shell editor. I pretty much just took it, copied and pasted it straight into Cloud Shell. The YAML and Docker file are from the workshop 3 as well. I do not know how to YAML file yet, so we are working on that. Docker files. I do have Docker within this thing working. If you go to Docker desktop, it's saying it's unused for the image. So again, there's a lot to be done here, but I am, call it proud. I am happy where I am. Definitely would not have been here without Nucamp's help, without this course. And so yes, definitely it's the boot camp. You've given me what I need, and now I need to start digging, scratch the surface. Now we need to actually start digging into the surface. So I do hope that I can get this thing fully running as a website down the road, not just a website with broken hyperlinks, but this is the start. So I do appreciate Nucamp and teaching and instruction, and I hope that I can move forward from here. So thanks, guys.